Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days. Guys, back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to have dual apps on any smartphone. So this video is going to be focused towards Android smartphone, but if you have an iPhone or something like that, just let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that one. So the concept behind the dual apps is very simple. It's like having two accounts in one smartphone, just like Instagram has allowed it to use two different accounts at the same time. Like, just you don't really have to sign in and sign out again and again, which is really convenient. But for Snapchat, WhatsApp and so many other messengers don't offer this type of function from the factory. But in Samsung smartphone, there is a very neat feature inside the settings which you can enable to like use two accounts on one smartphone. So the reason I really love this feature is I have like two different Snapchat accounts and I've been using two smartphones for a really long time in order to maintain my two accounts. So mostly I would really forget to send a streak from my other account and it will be a total chaos, to be honest. But after using this feature, I'm able to use two of my accounts from one smartphone, which is super convenient for me. So for this, the first thing you want to do is you want to go into the settings, and inside the settings you are going to see advanced features. You need to click on that, and inside the advanced features you are going to see dual messenger. So in dual messenger list you are going to see the apps which are installed in your smartphone. For now I have this Snapchat, I have this Facebook and Messenger, but if you have other type of apps installed, it will show in this list. And basically you can really sign in your other account. For me, I'm using Snapchat, so I'll be signing in by my second account on this app. So the question that might arise in your mind is, how do you differentiate between the main account and the second one, or vice versa? So it's very simple. The account which you are going to put in the dual app or the dual messenger will have this orange logo on the bottom hand side. So this way you can really know that you are using the dual messenger or the second account. And the great part of the feature I really love is it's really nice and easy. It doesn't get stuck, it doesn't lag or anything like that, because for some apps on Play Store they do offer the functionality of dual apps, but they do get stuck. The lag is insane. But with this Samsung one, it's super nice and super smooth, and you can almost enjoy all the features, and you can just switch between the Snapchat accounts without any problem. So you can have these two Snapchat icon on your home page or from anywhere from the menu. You won't really have that problem, and I've been using it for almost, like, I will say 2 to 3 weeks, and it's super nice. I don't even feel like I'm having two different accounts because it's super easy for me. So that was the reason why I decided to share with you guys. And if you don't have this, if you don't have a Samsung smartphone and your other Android smartphone doesn't have this feature built into the settings, you can always go into the Play Store and just type in dual apps. There are tons of different apps which you can try. Basically I like to go with the one which has the best rating, because that app is going to have far less bugs as compared to the other one. I did use that one also. It was kind of okay for me, but the dual messenger on the Samsung setting is far better as compared to the apps on Play Store. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribe and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.